Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how I start my daylily seeds. Once I'm ready to start the seeds, I add vermiculite to the baggie, just a little handful, and then I have a water bottle here and I added maybe a half a cap full of hydrogen peroxide. So then I take the hydrogen peroxide and I pour it into the vermiculite. Now I don't want it to the point where it's pooling water. I just want it to saturate the vermiculite. Now I just wait for a few weeks until I see sprouts coming up. I have my cups, I have my name tags, which I wrote the names of the daylilies on the name tag, and I have 3 of them here that are ready to go. This one's just a little overgrown, which is fine. And then I have these, oopsies. Then I have these, and I'm going to put 3 of them in 1 cup. And then here we go. So here's the root right here. So that goes down. And then we're ready to go. So if you have seeds that look like this and they squish, that means they're no good. So I was able to pot up 7 containers and I still have plenty of seeds left to pot up. And here they are under the grow light, doing well. They've straightened up and they are popping out of the soil. Now the soil right now is a little bit dry, so what I do is I just spritz the top with a little water so that I don't overwhelm the seedling. Thank you for watching.